Happy Tuesday. This morning, we're going to take a look at some of the work Jack was assigned during his class time where he had to mimic some of the poetry that was studied. It looks like quite a few slides were added today, but really what you need to do is just study the slides. Each slide today will show a poem from a pretty famous poet, The Red Wheelbarrow by William Carlos Williams. He reads that poem if he wanted to hear it in his version. And then the second slide would be Jack's version of how he tried to mimic the writer. The second poem that you'll see is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. Again, if you want to hear the poem read aloud, you could listen to the poem that's embedded on the slide today. And then again, Jack's version is after that. The third and final version of the poem that was studied in class is called Tiger, Tiger by William Blake. It's only the first stanza that you look at, and you can see then the following slide, Jack does some practice of this poetry writing. Today, your final task after looking at the slides and the poems that Jack studied in class is to try your own free verse poem. Your own free verse poem you're going to write today. The best part about poetry is there are very few rules. So you don't have to worry about how many lines are in the poem. Your minimum is going to be about 25 words. You really want the poem to be a free verse style, so it doesn't have to rhyme. Don't get caught up on the rhyme scheme. But really think about the pauses and the natural ways in which the words rest. Your poetry will be submitted into a Schoology folder, and that's your work for Tuesday. Thanks so much. Good luck. Bye. You get to maybe be on this. Okay. Your tab is being recorded.